Hello back community, Eric Clover here with Avant-Garde 911R. We have today a beautiful example of a 77 MV Agusta 750S America. This is a very, very well kept bike, only 1,600 and boy, what is that, 1,628 miles on it from new. A couple of the key features on this bike, you're looking at I want to say it's 789 cc, 4-cylinder dual overhead camshafts, 4x4 exhaust system. This has the Magni exhaust system, which is a ceramic powder coated black, designed by Arturo Magni, who was the race director for MV Agusta. This is a super rare, super exclusive motorcycle. All original condition in this bike. A couple of the key features, they all had this brown suede seat from the factory. Also, you'll notice passenger foot pegs on the rear. This was not just a solo rider. You could take your passenger along just by adjusting this with our wing nuts. These are the original factory wing nuts. Very cool, lightweight aluminum wing nuts and washers that were on there. If you don't have those, good luck finding an extra set somewhere. Very, very cool. Sandcast engine block with individual cylinders, all air-cooled. So if you had one blown cylinder, you could just take that one cylinder off and replace that. Factory bikini fairing as an accessory piece. So if you want to take the full fairing off and add this on, you could do that. This is a drive shaft versus chain driven. You've got a bevel gear in the back and a transverse mounted cassette transmission in there. So makes maintenance a little easier than a chain driven motorcycle. And then as far as being an Italian motorcycle, you've got factory Dell'Orto carburetors and nice little choke right here when you're cold starting. Very easy. We've already shown a cold start on this bike and it runs fantastic. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a chance to get out and show you what it looks like going down the road, and I'm super excited about that.